Lecture 8, Part 8, Practices in Pakistan regarding application of international law in municipal sphere. Pakistani courts are empowered to interpret the rules of international law in municipal sphere, meaning thereby international law is fully applicable and administered by the courts in Pakistan. In celebrated case Messrs. Najib Zarab Limited versus Government of Pakistan, PLD 1993, Karachi 93, it was held that the municipal law must respect the rules of international law. If there is no conflict, the international law shall prevail, and if there is any conflict between international law and state law, the state law shall prevail. International tribunals and the operation of municipal law. The fact that municipal courts must pay primary regard to municipal law in the event of conflict with international law in no way affects the obligation of the state concerned to perform its international obligations. Hence, before an international tribunal, a respondent state can't plead that its municipal law contains rules which conflict with international law, nor can it plead the absence of any legislative provision of a rule of international law as defense to a charge that it has broken international law. Thank you very much, and in the next sitting we shall discuss concept of a possibility.